Dodge Grand Caravan and your rear blinker's not working, so here's the right turn signal. It's going at a normal pace. And here's the left. It's super speedy. All you're gonna do is open the back end. Once you have the back end open, you're gonna see there's two little tabs, and I've already pulled one of these out. So all you're gonna do is you're gonna take a screwdriver, and two screwdrivers work better. You're just gonna put one on the bottom and one at the top, and you're gonna get these pried up. And if you have two screwdrivers, you can lift on both sides, so it's much easier. So once we have that, we're just gonna reach in, pull. That will be removed. Pull the other one out as well. And all you're gonna do is take this and just pull, and it just comes out. Now that you remove this, you're just gonna go to the bottom one. You're just gonna push on the top and bottom and squeeze those, and then it'll pop out. You can see that's burned out right there. And just lightly let that hang. This light bulb will just pull directly out, and you're just gonna grab the new 3057 light bulb. As always, they always say you're not supposed to touch them, so get a tissue or something, and then you're just gonna pop it back in, and this will just push into place. Once you have that into place, it's real simple. You're just gonna come in, you're just gonna put the light bulb in here, and you'll just click, hear that in place. Next, you'll just take your light casing. You're gonna get that tab to line up with the hole there. Push it in, pull it forward, and then once you have that, you're just going to put those little tabs back in place, and then push those in. It's kind of hard, so you just use the back of your screwdriver. You go back to your vehicle, you'll turn your turn signal on. It's blinking at a regular pace, and our turn signal is working again. Hopefully that helps, and as always, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.